small ones sleeping. They're probably feeling a little bit the salt from the road. Now they're hungry. You wanna get in? Everybody wants to drive in the SUV. Whoop, 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 whoop. Hey, take it easy. Whole gang is here. Hey, how you doing? You can lick it, but don't scratch it. You scratch it, you fix it. You did it once, yeah, I gotta do it the second time. But you can see the worldwide travelers. Yes, we have wild horses. Authentic wild horses, and yes, you cannot ride them as many people they will love to, because they are wild and you cannot control them. Look at this pretty one. There's another group. Everybody wanna lick it. Come on, it's 30 car. Whoop, 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 whoop. You scratch it. Ah, again. You see what did you did? You scratched the hood. You naughty horse. Come on, return back here. You have to fix this. See what this happens? Scratches. Let's check the hood. For now, it's only this one. Bad. I hope you're gonna like the video. And the moment that this corona crisis pass, I believe that these horses, they enjoy without people at all, but still they will love it to meet more worldwide travelers. So till the first chance, at the beginning of the summer, they will be here, and you can go with us on tour to show it to you, to spend half a day, maybe you can spend a whole day. It depends on you. And no licking, no scratching. Okay. I will come back with a big bag of salt. Don't worry about it. But this is the totally new ones, young ones. till summer they're gonna be big, beautiful, clean, and you will enjoy it the same way as we do. Till then, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you till next video. Stay safe. Again. We'll talk about it. Check this guy. Hey, how you doing? You wanna come on? You can go on tour with me? Okay. Move, 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 move. Let me pass. See you later. Take care. Nice horsey.